Yes, I came to brief Mr. President about what happened in Kama local government of Kwara State, and also to thank him for the prompt action taken by the President by establishing Operation Savannah Shield. That will go a long way in deterring and bringing calm to the region in Kwara State.
Okay, so with your meeting with Mr. President, what hope do you have to give back to your people when
Well, after meeting the President, I'm confident because as I speak to you, the first commander for Operation Savannah Shield has reported in Kwara State, Ilorin, today. And is hitting the ground running, and we rely on the military to do what they do best. The President has directed the armed forces to move in and to clean out the place and make sure peace and calm is restored.